Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI, and both my wife and I absolutely love this 2-in-1 oil sprayer by mqnxoi because it's super convenient for cooking without a mess. I especially like it for frying French fries in the air fryer. Just applying a couple sprays of oil really helps the fries to come out nice and crispy, just as if I deep fried them, but without using a large quantity of oil. The spray is very accurate and covers a good amount of distance, so all my fries get evenly sprayed, ready to get a nice tan in the air fryer. We also like that it comes with a dispenser option, so by just opening the dispenser with a click, it's perfect to pour some olive oil all over a salad without making any mess. The glass container is great for keeping the oil nice and fresh at all times, and the handle is very convenient to not get any oily hands or fingers. This has been a great addition to our kitchen, and that is my point of view.